Hello everybody, in today's video I want to show you a quick introduction to a great passive income source that I have found recently and it's working beautifully. It's called Yieldnodes and it's back actually in the crypto space, but it's not related to any kind of crypto investment. Basically you can see it on the screen. The idea is that you rent server hosting or server nodes that are used in crypto and blockchain to operate the contract. It's a bit technical, but basically understand it that you deposit some money, they create an opened and managed server which is then used by developers on the blockchain and by others to use it as a blockchain node. At the moment you can see the statistics on the screen. It operates around 2,000 to 4,000 masternodes, and so basically you are renting server and then you have like a revenue share model where they share the profits on that server with you. So for May 2022, generated revenue was 6.5%, and in the last 32 months, that is how long the project is going, the average monthly revenue is 10%, which is like 120%. But if you compound that, so you don't withdraw anything out of it and use it to reinvest your profits back, it's like 213%. Even at 6.5%, it is pretty cool revenue for May. So it's not that. The best thing that I think is behind this project that you can pay with bank wire or credit cards, not just the crypto. And I repeat, this is not a crypto investing, so they are not investing your money into cryptocurrencies, or you are not investing into cryptocurrencies, but rather they are using that money to manage servers and sell that or rent that servers to other people, and thus making money. Plus they stake your money, and so the revenue is more like secure. Don't get me wrong, nothing is guaranteed. These 32 months were really good. Bear in mind that we are in a bear crypto market at the moment, so cryptocurrencies are pretty low and they do depend a bit on the cryptocurrency moving, so nothing is guaranteed or anything. One great thing about this is if you are looking at this performance graph, it is pretty stable. It doesn't matter if the crypto is going down and up. Of course, in the late few months, it's going a bit down, but it's still over 5%, which is great because the inflation is pretty high, and this is some way of not just saving money, but actually making some revenue. One more thing is this yellow thing. They are trying to guarantee a projected 5 to 15% profit, and if it drops below 5% for 3 consecutive months, your rental payment will be returned along with any accrued profits if compounded. No fuss, no quibbling. Well, this sounds great. This is their guarantee. It's in their terms and conditions. I don't know how this will work if this really happens, but I think this is a great reassurance on your money. So this is the compounds of Yieldnodes versus traditional investment. If you invested 500 euros, which is a minimum investment, in September of 2019, you would now have over 10,000 euros, as you can see on this compounded blue graph. Once again, it's not an investment program, it's a pay-for-service system, and it generates profits based on a mathematical algorithm ingrained within each masternoded coin. So basically, in addition to the advantages of the blockchain as a technology, it is possible to achieve interesting yields by providing computing power and storage space in combination with special software. Remember, this is not investment, it's not mining, it's a totally different thing. These servers and these nodes are used for people that have applications on a blockchain. If all this sounds interesting, you can find the link in the description below and use it to check more things around it, and also you can sign up, look at the backend, and then if you decide to invest 500 euros, which is like 550 US dollars, is the minimum amount. Try it and tell me what you think in the comment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.